Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile device. Now I'll go to YouTube and over here you can see my YouTube app is open. Now on the bottom right you'll find icon. As you tap on it and you will get this interface. On the top right, you'll find this gear. Tap on it, go to this general, and over here you will see this dark theme. On the right, here is toggle. Just tap on it, and the dark mode is activated on our app. So in this way, we can turn on dark mode on YouTube. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time. Have a good day.